Hi, welcome to CS560 Algorithms and Their Analysis. I'm your instructor. My name is Yang Xu, and I am an assistant professor of computer science at SDSU. Okay, so about this course, it's called Algorithms and Their Analysis. So it's a very analytical course in computer science. And the learning goal of this course is to gain a deep and a broad understanding of different kinds of algorithms. Okay, we will basically cover all the mainstream types of algorithms, and we need to understand the techniques to analyze algorithms. We'll introduce mathematical notations and the concept of time space complexity. Okay. And most importantly, in this course, we will primarily use pseudocode to implement algorithms. And it is not required to write actual programs using programming languages. This is not a coding course. And ultimately, given the knowledge we learned in this course, we're able to analyze a problem and know that the existence of different solutions, and then we can compare the different types of solutions and choose the optimal one. Okay. So about textbook, the Introduction to Algorithms, 3rd edition, by Corman will be the textbook that we use. So in the syllabus page on Canvas, you will find the way to get this textbook online. So there's a PDF version of it on GitHub. So you're able to get a free version of this textbook. So basically, the contents of the slides provided will be based on the textbook. But I think the slide contents are sufficient to cover all the topics, okay, to cover everything you need to know in order to complete the assignments and quizzes and exams. Okay, but reading the textbook will be very helpful. The textbook covers much more details. All right, so I want to stress this again. There's no prior knowledge required on any specific programming languages, and all the assignments and exams are paper-based. So in assignments, there could be questions that ask you to implement some algorithms or to do some modifications to some algorithms, but these algorithms are in the form of pseudocode, not in actual code that you need to edit in the computer. So it's not programming based, but actually paper based. So no code is required. You're not required to write any code in specific language. Okay, but in terms of the pseudocode, we still define some general rules of the pseudocode. So it's not like any type of random type of pseudocode. We still need to follow some generic principles or some conventions of writing pseudocode. Okay, so hopefully this gives you a general introduction to this course. And a little bit about myself again. My research area is about natural language processing, which is a subfield of artificial intelligence. And I use machine learning methods to study language problems, psycholinguistics, and cognitive sciences. So if you're interested, you can visit my website. And next, we're going to enter the topic of this very first lecture of this algorithm class. And thank you for watching this video.